Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am coming at you live from my dorm room. I'm a freshman at the University of Rhode Island here in Kingston, and welcome to my channel. If you just stumbled upon this video and you are new here, please hit that subscribe button down below. I'm going to be uploading a new video every single week as I always do, and I would love for you guys to stick around and also hit those post notifications so you know every single time that I upload. Today's video is going to be super exciting because let me tell you, I have done a lot of shopping, so I thought I would hop on the trend and do a try-on spring summer clothing haul. I am in college, and there's no really mall near my school. It's like the closest one's like a bus ride away, like 40 minutes. So while I was home for spring break, I did some damage to spice up my spring wardrobe because it is getting warmer here, even though it's supposed to snow tomorrow. Cross your fingers that spring is here. So I thought I would share with you guys what I got. I done some damage at Nike, Naked, Honeybum, Forever 21, Zara, Urban Outfitters, Pacsun. I hit it all. So this is just some pieces that I picked up to spice up my spring wardrobe. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, comment down below what you're most excited for the springtime. And also comment down below some video requests because I want to do so many more videos for you guys and I want to do what you guys want to see. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. And also comment down below if y'all mess with my shirt. I found this in my closet and I was like, drink. And it's like the Degrassi from Urban Outfitters, men's section, Urban, you know. And also let me know if you guys like this quality. I got a light for my camera, so let me know if you guys like how it looks. But yeah, we're just gonna get on started. Also, I'm gonna start with the shoes. I got a pair of shoes from Naked and a pair of shoes from Nike. Guys, look at these boots. I got these from Naked. They're a size 9. I actually bought them from Poshmark. If you guys know who Maggie McDonald is, she has a closet on Poshmark. I'll link her closet down below. She's always posting such cute stuff. And these were on there for 20 bucks. It was like 20 bucks from Naked. Like, look at these boots. They're like blue satin. I thought for like a night out, or if I wanted to wear these with like denim jeans, like a black top, or like leggings and like a fun top, and this would be so cute for the springtime. Even though my campus is on a hill, you know, beauty is pain. But like, look at these. They're beautiful. If I could find them on the Naked website, I will link them down below. These are absolutely beautiful. And they're very out of my style, but I thought I would try them out. And for 20 bucks, why not? I always love getting like new pairs of shoes for like the different seasons. So I got this pair of shoes from Nike, and guys, look at these shoes. I finally hopped on the trend and decided to get Huaraches, and guys, look at these Huaraches. They're like a mauve pink color. They're absolutely beautiful. They're definitely gonna get ruined because I live on like a mud-filled campus here at URI, but look at these. These are perfect for the springtime. They're so comfortable. They have so much support, and these are just like a pop of color for wearing like an all-black outfit, or if you want to just throw on a fun shoe. They're so comfortable. And like walking around, I know like I talk about my campus a lot, but like walking around my campus, it is all on a hill, so like these will give me the support I need and I can still look cute. So I was like, I gotta get these, and I love this color. I'm not a huge pink person, as you guys could see. Like my whole dorm room was like a splash of purple, and like Travis Scott, and like she knew she could, so she did, and like my like a Marvel comforter. But like these aren't pink, these are just like a purpley mauve pink with like cream, and they say Nike Air on the back, and they say Air Huarache on the tongue, and these are size 9. So yeah, and the bottoms are so pretty. I like don't want to get them dirty, but like I want to beat them so bad. Okay, so those are the 2 pairs of shoes I got for the spring and summertime, and now I'm going to get on to the clothes I bought. I'm going to first start off with Zara, and you guys are going to see in this haul I bought a lot of red for some reason. I saw this shirt from Zara. This is size small, but it's like oversized, and I thought with like a pair of jeans and like boots this would be super cute. And it's just a big red t-shirt, and I love how this just says like make changes happen. Like it's very inspired. I thought I could throw this on with like a jean jacket, some leggings, like slip-on Vans. This would be like an instantly cute outfit. And I thought like it's red, it's fun, it's inspiring. And yeah, when I don't know what I want to wear, I could just sew this on and make a simple outfit. I did a few purchases a few weeks ago from Fashion Nova. The first thing I purchased was just this off-the-shoulder top, and look at like the arms I live for. I wore this out once. I sweat to death, but it was fine. It was worth it. It's just this off-the-shoulder top, and it is so cute. guys on. You'll see the trial on like right now, but like it fits so perfect, and I got this in a small. I got this when they were having their sale, and I also got this super fun. It's like a furry jacket, and again, it's like that mauve pink color. Guys, I can rock this with my new Huarache serval look. Yes, queen, all black outfit. Like, who am I? But this is just like perfect. I think this is around like 20 bucks from Fashion Nova. Super cute. I have yet to wear this. I think I wore it like once to a darty. Yeah. I did do some damage at Forever 21. As always, I saw this shirt, and I never had a shirt like this before. It's Alicia Marie. I think I watched her haul. She got one of these in white, and I went to Forever 21 a few weeks ago, and I found it in red, and I don't have any shirts like this. I love this look with the polo and like this kind of zipper. I don't know why, but I thought like with these pants I just bought, I will show you guys, from Honeybum. Super cute. Or like just some like black jeans, or like some cool jeans and like some cool shoes. Like, it's a look. Girls, when it gets warmer, I always see them wearing like a jean jacket, a skirt, and like a top to class, and like some Vans. So I was like, let me get this. It's not too tight where it's like scandalous. It's like the perfect length, so I'm so excited to rock this. Okay, and then I saw this pair of shorts. These looked so fun, and they were so good on. They were just this high-waisted gingham print shorts, and they have pockets, and they're just perfect. To like give you like that cute like sailor, like, yeah, I'm ready for summer. Like, I thought with that red shirt, this would be such a cute outfit. Like, look at these shorts. And I couldn't pass it up. These were 15 bucks. And as I said, I will have like all these links down below if I can find them. Okay, next I'm going to show you the pants I got from Honeybum. I rocked these yesterday. Holy crap. Like, these are perfect. I've always wanted a pair of like the camo pants that everyone and their mother has. Okay, but the only thing is, if you order from Honeybum, go a size up. I was a size small, and I was reading the reviews, and I got a medium, and these fit like perfectly. Like, they're almost like too tight. So if you're a medium, go for a large. If you're a large, go for an extra large. If you're a small, go for a medium. Like, I'm not kidding. If you're a small, you're going to order a small, and they're not going to fit. Like, I'm telling you right now. I was going to order a small, but thank God I got a medium, because I was reading the reviews, and everyone was saying go a size up. But I've never seen anyone wear these pants. I wore these yesterday. Everyone was like, oh my goodness, I love your pants so much. Like, where did you get them? And I was like, Honeybum. Well, I got them from Poshmark, but I'll link them down below because they're obviously going to be still available on Honeybum. But they're just these red camo pants, and they cinch at the bottom, and they have pockets on the sides, and oh my goodness, these are absolutely perfect. I wore these with my regular denim jacket and like a white tank top. Oh my goodness, I was feeling myself in these pants, let me tell you. Okay, and next from Urban Outfitters, I got a pair of jeans. These are from BDG. Okay, I'm not going to button these. I've worn these a bunch of times, but they just have all these buttons, and they're those two-toned flare jeans that everyone and their mother has, but these are perfect. They fit so good, and I don't mess with like flare or like boot cut jeans, but these are like perfect, and they have like distressing at the bottom. I want to like distress them more at the knee, but I don't know, because like they fit like a little baggy, so, but I kind of want to turn them into like boyfriend jeans, but we'll see. From Pacsun, I had to be basic, but guys, I saw this shirt. Just like look at it. This is the new Champion. They came with like their spring and summer line, and this is like one of their new heritage tees. I got this in a medium. It's a men's. It's a men's. I got it oversized, so I like tie it and style it cute with a pair of jeans and like boots or some kicks, you know. Okay, so next I'm going to show you what I got from Brandy. I got 3 cute little things. So first, I just got this basic little blue tank top. I love this blue color. Just thought it was cute with like a bralette underneath it, some jeans, jacket over it, class, yeah. Okay, again with the red, I know, but this pattern was super cute. Just a cute little red tank top for night out, whatever. Then I really love like these t-shirts that Brandy sells. I saw this one, I thought it was cute. It has like flowers, and it says Oxford 1991. This cute little crop tee, jean jacket, whatever, some leggings. Alright, so that was my haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, because I'm filming like crazy. I am ready to take over the summer and just bombard you guys with videos. So turn my post notifications on and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye! I'm gonna go study for an exam now.